Dear friends, greetings. In American Catholic Church, we have a new dimension, the ministry of lay deacons. Everywhere in American church, we have deacons. Mostly they come after their retirement, or they resign their jobs and study 5 years and they become deacons. But they contribute a lot to American church. They are great gifts of ministry for the church. I know 2 deacons, Deacon Larry and Deacon Tom. Deacon Larry was a police officer. He was a former Lutheran. After finishing his job as a police officer, he converted himself to Catholic religion and he became a deacon. I enjoyed his great ministry. He spoke from his experience. And also, I know another deacon called Tom. He is with me for the last 6 years. He was a former fireman chief. He was rescuing so many people from the danger of fire. Now he has become a deacon. I observe the ministries of these 2 people. They are doing tremendous ministry. And also they are having great enthusiasm. They are having great spirit of the Holy Spirit. For example, Deacon Tom went and met 45 elderly people during this Ash Wednesday. He took ashes and gave to them. And he could see tears from their eyes. Due to coronavirus, these homebound people could not come out. They could not come to church. But he went and met them individually and gave the grace of God. They were so satisfied by his ministry. Not only them, he was totally amazed by the ministry experience he had. He told me, I was a firefighter. I rescued so many people from danger of death. But the ministry I am doing now is totally different. It is fulfilling for me. I am rescuing people from the darkness and bring them to the light of Jesus. Father, I really thank you. Thank God, thank the church for giving me this opportunity. This is a fulfillment in my life. Dear friends, all Christians are called priests. We are participating in the royal priesthood of Jesus Christ. By the rite of baptism, we are called for ministry. We may not become deacons. We may not become priests. We may not become religious. But we can change our ministry, our profession, our life into ministry. Our total life is the opportunity for ministry. Whatever field we are, we can bring God's grace to people. We can lead people to God. And this is the great gift God is giving to each and every Christian. We are Christians. We are called to do ministry. It is by the power of the Holy Spirit we are doing that ministry. We are doing the ministry with the power of Jesus Christ. This is something great. I thank God for the gift of ministry. I thank God for the gift of priesthood. And we should not make Christian ministries as clerical ministries. It is ministry for everybody. We have priests, we have bishops, we have cardinals and pope. They are having their own particular ministry, but all are equal in the church. By baptism, we are all called for exercising the priestly ministry of Jesus. Thank you.